One thing that has changed from, say, the 1970s and the 80s till today is that there's been a more democratization of information. So today, like everyone who's in the market probably knows how to draw, say, support and resistance, look for triangles, head and shoulders patterns, etc. So does strategy, or does technical strategy more specifically, still have an edge today? And if not, where can one get an edge today?
Yeah, it doesn't have an edge, and this comes up. It does come up in so very explicitly in Peter Brandt's chapter.
Right.
So there is no edge in technical analysis. It's just a tool, and like a tool doesn't do anything. It's just how well you can use it. The tool itself is not an edge. So it's a tool which can be used if it fits for your trading approach to identify points in the market where you think there's a probability. It doesn't have to be a big probability, but there's a probability of a market moving in one direction or another. More so, there's more of it. There's some sort of perceived asymmetry at that point in time. So, for example, if I believe that if a market's coming up to resistance, what I perceive to be a resistance area, for multiple reasons, and so I say, well, the market looks like there's a reasonable chance the market might fail in the zone. Putting on a short at that point with a stop, which is beyond the zone, is a trade where I'm going to lose most of the time, but if I'm right, I'll make more than I'll lose. And so it's just that it's not that there's any edge there. It's just that I've identified certain things where there's a little bit more of an edge to doing one thing than not an edge, but more of a probability of one thing to the other. So there's nothing magical about it. It's how you apply it. And I probably use charts in a contrarian way more than directly. So to me, a breakout that fails is more important than the breakout itself. So they actually going counter to the traditional type of classical chart analysis that is dictating what the trade is. So it's not a cookbook approach. It's a tool, and you can use it in a contrarian fashion as well.
Right.